My wife and I practice in Ankeny, Iowa. A little bit of a backstory about us is that we were both part of different practices before joining AMC. It was actually under a different management group as well. And we ended up getting let go from those jobs at the peak of COVID. So we knew we needed to do something quick and do it the right way, essentially. So we started just kind of scrambling and looking through the internet, and we found AMC. And something about that first call with Dr. Miller, it just seemed to fit right with us. And it's been AMC ever since. Joined our first boot camp in Kansas City. And we're just truly welcomed, and we feel like a family whenever we're here. And clinic we opened up back July 2020 has been steadily growing ever since. Just reached our best month ever, actually, in collections, about $28,000. So we're really glad that what AMC has given us and learning the concepts and the direction, and even working on our own personal self-values and working on ourselves as chiropractors and just as people in everyday life has really helped shape our dream practice. So we thank AMC a lot for that.